Okay, Joel. What?
What's the objective?
I have no idea. I think somebody has to get a body or something.
Oh yeah, they carried it out on a stretcher.
Okay, team.
In there.
Is somebody in there?
No, that's where that's where they're going.
The objective?
Building. Yeah, that's the objective.
Oh, okay.
The body's in there.
Oh, in the bunker.
Yeah.
There's action up here. There's action up here. You're hit. Yeah. Sam, behind you. I'm behind you. So you know where the objective is?
No.
The enemies are trying to get to that bunker behind us. To get, right here, look, right here. See that bunker over there?
Yeah, okay.
That's what they're trying to get, because there's a body in there they need to extract.
I didn't know where it was. I got your back. Hey, Justin, I moved up.
Okay. Is that yellow down there? They don't seem to be flanking around the back to get it, eh?
No, they're not. The guy right in the corner of that green hut right there,
Yeah.
he keeps poking his head around.
Just camping there, eh?
Yeah. Have they even gotten around back at all?
I don't think so, not once. The closest I've seen one. Is he right at that little bin?
No, I thought he was, but he's not.
Okay.
He might not be there anymore. Oh, there's a guy coming up behind you.
Oh,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah. I'm gonna get past you here.
Yeah.
Still nothing? It's clear here, bud.
Yep.
You're clear.
Clear right up to here.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think they're making a push. I think we need to go out after them.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. There's one straight across. I don't know where he is. There's one shooting straight across. Yep, there he is right there.
Oh, did I get hit?
Oh, he's right in the trench. Yeah. Yep. Right on there. Hey, we got people moving up. Right, over here. Okay.
Okay, yeah, on the right. Over by the bin.
under. Right there under the window, by the door.
I don't see him.
Here's the right. Hey, here's the right. Yeah. Don't worry, I wouldn't have shot you this close.
Is he out?
Yeah, he's out.
Is that? Where?
Right.
Where is he?
He's right down in about there somewhere, just over top of that.
Past the bushes?
What's that?
Past the bushes?
Nope, just on this side of the bushes. You see where that little tree's growing up right there?
The green one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's to the left of that.
Ooh. Oh, I see him.